Hi guys, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can get your first 1000 subscribers using one simple tool, an app. I'm going to be showing you this app in this video and show you how you can do that. So this channel that you see right now on the screen belongs to a member of my Telegram growth group. And guys, if you haven't joined my Telegram growth group, the link is in the description box. Okay, join the Telegram group. We teach people and help people, coach people on how to grow on YouTube. Okay, so it's for free right now. You can join, but if you know you are not serious, please do not join. Only serious members are needed. Okay, all right, let's go straight into it. So you can see this channel right now on the screen. So we did a review on his channel, right? And at the time that we did that review, he had just 414 subscribers. Now I'm going to be pasting it on the screen and also with the date, so you can see that these data are actually correct. Okay, so he had 414 subscribers as at 16th of March. Now 5 days down the line, on the 21st of March, his subscriber count had increased to around 655. Guess what? On that same day, he had additional 100 subscribers, taking him to 755. And guess what? On that same day, he got an additional 40 something subscribers, taking him to 803 subscribers in one day. Now, guess what? The next day, his subscriber count increased by almost 200 to 1,000 subscribers. As if that was not enough, the next day, just 24 hours interval, he rose to 2,000 subscribers. Guys, you can see it on the screen, you can see the date, you can do the calculation yourself. And this is how his channels continue to grow and grow as the day went by. What did he do? He used a simple tool, a web tool, to actually cut his videos into shorts and post them. Yes, the strategy he used was posting shorts, but the secret is the tool that was used. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can do that. Now, guess what, guys? I actually had to implement that. I tested it on one of my videos. So I used the same tool to clip a video of mine and post it on my shorts. And guess what? The results were amazing. Let me tell you how this app works. Okay, so it scans your video, right? And then it begins to select interesting parts of your video that has the potential to go viral. Then it optimizes them, it publishes them, it tags them with high rating keywords and hashtags, and it publishes it. It actually rates those clips, rating them over 100 on their capability to actually go viral. And guess what? That's what this guy used. So let me show you. Take a look at the screen. Look at his channel initially. Now look at the channel growth right now. Okay, now look at this particular shot. He got over 100k views on this shot, and you can see the name of this app is Opus Clip, and you can see that it's there because he used the free version at the time. Okay, now take a look at the changes, the growth in the views of his videos. This is how he was able to get subscribers. All of these views, increase in views in shorts, were giving him subscribers. And guess what? It wasn't just in the short. This time around, it was also impacting in his long form videos. Okay, now look at the video that I tested with. Okay, look at this screenshot on the screen. Can you see that this particular video, I'm going to show you how I did it. I'll show you the practical on how I did it. But you see, this shot was the shot that I experimented with, and in about 15 hours it had given me 29 views. 18 hours, 33 views. And when I went to check in YouTube Studio, I saw that it has given me 37 views. You guys, this is not normal. Like, it's not the normal way that I get views on my short, especially on my educative short videos. You can see the last shot that I posted 3 months ago, 39 views. 3 months ago, you can see the other one 5 months ago, around 50 something view. So if this one that I posted in less than 24 hours is already giving me this amount of view, it means that this video has the potential. What is the secret tool that I use? Is this same app. All right, let's dive straight into it. Okay, before then, don't forget to join my Telegram growth group. If you know that you want to experience, you want to get all of these perks, it's for free. I am not charging you. We do one-on-one coaching, we help review your channel, we educate people on how to grow on YouTube. So click on that link right now in the description box and I'll see you there. Okay, so guys, we'll go to Google, as you can see on the screen, and then we're going to type Opus Clip. So you're going to click on the first search result, right? So it takes you to the website, and we're here at the website. So you're just going to go ahead, and if you have an account, sign in. If you don't, please click on the sign up there. All right, so we'll click on it right now, and then it brings you to the sign up page. So you can either sign up using Google Chrome, or you can sign up using your email address. So we're going to use Google Chrome. It makes it easy, like easy peasy. Okay, so Yeah. Next, you're going to click on your email account. And then next, you're going to click on continue. Okay. Next. Okay. So it takes you to, yeah, let's wait for it to load. Okay. Now, so when you come here, right, you're going to see that it's going to tell you this, especially if you are in Nigeria, to tell you this, that we are sorry, this, that. And you need to click on upgrade. But however, even when you click on this upgrade, it's still not going to do anything. Like you can see, I've clicked it up to 5 times already and it didn't respond. So just relax. All you need to do is to go to the left hand side of the screen to your dashboard. Click on the home icon there, and it takes you to this subscription interface where you need to do pay for your plan. But don't worry, all you need to do is to cancel it because we're going to be using the free version. Okay. So click on that cancel on the right hand side and it brings you to this interface. Now I click on upload. When you click on upload, it's going to take you to this interface where you have your file explorer. Okay. So now you can select from your downloads or wherever your video is. So I'm going to click on download, either this one or the one on the left hand side. So we're going to click on the one on the left hand side, and now it brings us here, right? Okay, so you can see a list of my videos there. I'm picking that one highlighted and the second one highlighted. So I'm selecting that, and the moment I do that, it's taking me back to this interface. So it shows you an estimate of how much time it's going to take and also the uploading frequency. That's what you can see here right now. So next, I'm going to show you the second option, or second way you can add a video to this website to extract clips for you by dropping a link, as you can see above there. So I'm going to go over to my YouTube channel to copy a link. So let's go right there. Okay, so I'm going to copy the link of this particular video by clicking on share, right? And then I'll come here and click on copy. Then I'll go back to Opus Clip, okay, and paste the link just here. Now I'm going to give you some time to process, okay? Just give it some time to process. It's still processing. It's still processing. It's trying to schedule the video actually. So that's what it's doing right now. And you know it's a link. Okay, so it said project scheduled successfully. Let's go down and see how much time we have for it. You can see the time estimate there. ETA, expected time of arrival. I think it's around 6 minutes thereabout. It takes between 6 to 8 minutes thereabout. So I'm going to click on the previously extracted one, which I had done before. It's the same video, but I had already extracted one before. So you can see this is the option I have for this particular video. One is rating 90 over 100. It just gave me two options: capture nature's beauty, transform your content. Rating 90 over 100. The second option is embrace boldness, overcome fear, and grow on YouTube. You can see, and this one is rating 84 over 100. Now, note that it gave me just two options because I am using the free version. If you use the paid version, you're going to get multiple options. I'm going to also show you what that looks like, okay? So I'll go ahead and click on publish to social. So I can publish it to my social media, YouTube, or anywhere I want to publish it to. I'm going to have the option of upload, which is a pro option. Then I'm just going to click on continue anyway, which is for the free version. Okay. So when I click on that, it means it's going to publish with a watermark. So I'm going to click on YouTube here because I want to publish it to my YouTube channel. Okay. So when we click on that to wait for that to connect, successfully connected to YouTube, as you can see there. So you can see that it already has caption for you. It has keyword. It has hashtag. It has title. That's why this app is very good. So I'm going to click on. I need to publish it right away. But if I'm to do that, I have to be on the pro version. So I'm going to have to schedule. So let's click on the schedule. All right. So I'm going to fill in a date, the date of filming this video. Yeah, which is on the 8th of April. So let's do that. I'll click on the date and then I'm going to click on the time. My video goes out at 7 p.m. So yeah, I had to change the AM to PM. Please take note of all of that. Okay. Now let's schedule. Now don't worry, it's going to bring you to this paid page again, this subscription page rather. But don't worry about that. I can assure you that it's actually scheduled. It's just that they have to bring up this page to remind you that you need to pay. Okay, so you can go back later and check when the time is due, check it to see if the video was uploaded, was published. If it wasn't, then I'm going to show you how you can actually download it, download the clips that you've gotten and publish them yourself. Okay, so this is where you can look at that icon there. That's where you can actually download the video here. Okay, and it goes straight to your computer drive, and then you can later go back and schedule the same video. Trust me, it works. And I'm going to show you an example of a downloaded version that I use and the difference that it has made for me. All right, so now I'm going to show you guys how to use the paid, how the paid version works. This is a paid account, okay, not my account. So let me show you quickly. I want to get clip from this particular video that I just clicked. Can you see all of the options? I even have one rating 99. Oh my goodness, 99 over 100. So it gives me multiple options of clips in my video that could actually take my video viral, right? So that's one of the benefits of paid version.